Hello everyone, welcome back to another live development session. Just let me start this thing and we are live. Welcome again, thank you for joining me here. Today I will be mm, fixing some bugs that I have, and let me see. I'm gonna share here. I'm working on my Notion board. For example, I had these problems that is, well, I have some tweaks and enhancements, better the AI. I think I'm not gonna be able to do this, maybe in an update. Um, Getting hurt after defeating an enemy, that's a bug that is a little bit annoying. Also, the game is not picking up the pig. You're gonna see what I mean in a moment. And the crouch is not resetting on that. Let me see. I also have here, I had to finish the devlog. This one I did it. The devlog is gonna be live at like in 4 hours after the the live development is over. I will work. I will upload the. Well, it's already there. It's scheduled for launch, and it's the latest devlog. It's gonna be a little bit different. I have a. It's about my daily life and the work that I did these past weeks. Okay, I had to test the levels. I had some problems with the Boney. What problems? The bunk working. I think maybe it wasn't looking for me or something. I think it's complete. Okay, I'm going to start working on this. The crouch is not resetting on that. I need to modify this. I'm gonna put it active and send it to in progress. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be working on right now. Let's see. And let me just close this. It makes the video look slow, I think, when I'm looking at it or something. Okay, so I'm gonna start. The thing I have to do here is to fix when it's crouching. Supposedly, after you crouch, well, if you are crouching and you die, you should uncrouch. But I think it's not working. It has a problem. It has a delegate, and that one it's supposed to be called when an event happens. In this case, the event is when Boney dies or he gets defeated, and when he gets defeated, it calls the event of the crouch. It should uncrouch. It should say like, okay, you're dead, uncrouch. But I think it stays crouch. I'm gonna do a little test so you can see the problem. Hopefully it runs more or less okay. Let's wait till it opens. Create a poll. These are, here I have some quotes. I don't know if you can see them. I think they are by Kuz Amaro. That is he's a trainer. He was the trainer of Mike Tyson and other great boxers. And I think they're quite inspiring. Okay, I'm gonna start with in the scene of the first level, already there. Stage 1. Okay, so let's see what happens if I crouch. gizmos. Gizmos. Okay. Let's see what happens. I'm still having trouble with the IntelliSense, I think it's called. I'm just gonna close this because it also slows down the computer. Google, I don't know why, but it takes a lot of memory to run. It's supposed to be just a browser, but it takes a lot of brain power from the computer or whatever memory. What did I do? Okay. Okay, let's see. I think that looks okay. I'll call myself a journalist. Okay, the problem is this. If I'm crouching and this guy killed me, I think I stay crouched. If I can pass here, yeah, check. I'm still crouching. Because if I should double here, I'm still crouching. Okay, let's check the inspector then. Check. Okay, let's see what is the state of Boney in the inspector. Hopefully you can see it. I'm just gonna make it a little bigger. Gonna pause it. I think it's acting up a little bit. Okay, so it has to be the crouch. It says ability permitted, yes. Crawl authorized, yes. Crouching, no. So it's not crouching, but it still is acting like crouch. Let me see what else. Layer player, okay. So I can see what is the problem. Okay, tag BAM. Okay, let's see if it's still crouching. Yes. Okay, let's see what happens because I sometimes I forget. I'm gonna press the crouch button, not doing anything. Okay. Now it is crouching and let me uncrouch. Let's see if I can pass here. I still can pass. And if I crouch, I still can pass. There's no problem here. Okay. For example, also when I get stuck to walls, sorry for the super buggy game. I can still pass through there. Right now, it's not. Layer player. Everything is normal. Here, ability permitted, no. Crouching, yes. So before reaction of onomatopoeia. Okay. Dark Puller, Boney Sprite. Okay. Let's see. For example, if I uncrouch here, I'm gonna get rid of the enemy because he's just killing me and killing me. Let me deactivate this. Just let me see if anybody did. Chrome just hits RAM. Yeah, man. Hi Killer Queen. Yeah, sometimes it slows down everything, or the computer starts to get really heated up just because I'm running Chrome and it's weird. Do you know of any other browser that is good? I have heard that a lot of people use. Well, I have seen it in some YouTube videos. They use Brave, but I have never tried it. Also, I heard that it's good because it has better privacy options, but I don't know. Use a lot of Google Docs, so I don't know if that will affect me. Okay, just let me get rid of the enemies. Let's see what happens. I can still pass. Okay. So what's going on here with Boney? But let's see. I need to check if it if I can do that from the start of the game, or is it just when I get uh, defeated? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna disable the enemies, and let's see if I can cross. No, right now it's okay. If I crouch, I go below. On crouch, I can still go below. Okay, I see. So basically the crouch is not that it's not getting called when I kill, I get defeated. It's not getting called at all. The on crouch. Right, so let's fix that. Hopefully I can do it right now. Okay. Okay, here we go. So there's something that is not resetting after I uncrouch. I would like to use my cell phone like to check the chat, but the battery just dies super fast. Okay, so let's see. Stick to wall, hand a weapon, flow, time before onomatopoeia, on crouch, on crouch. Okay, this is the on crouch. Let's see if it gets called. It's here. Okay, on crouch time, character mode, set speed, layer 26. Wait for seconds. Idle, crouching, equal false. Okay. Let's see this one. On crouch, crouching equal true. Okay, so this one is not getting called probably. If the character movement is not equal, no. And what else is it called? Check exit crouch. Pressed. Other privacy heads I now use Brave. I have friend who always insisted Edge. Yeah, me too. I haven't experimented using. I heard that Edge is better now. Like there's I don't know if it's just Microsoft lying or something, but they like when you start, it says that it uses 60% less RAM than Chrome, I guess. But I don't know. And privacy, yeah, they use Brave. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not really worried. I don't think I have that much important information. Also, I'm here in Mexico, so I think privacy is not that big of an issue. Depends the country. I think in USA, yeah, some people worry a lot about their privacy because a lot of companies use their data for weird stuff. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe I will try it later, the Edge one, and check how much RAM it consumes. Okay, so basically it's not getting called, I guess. Check exit crouch, accessibility. If crouching equals true, check exit crouch. Okay, this one. If crouching equals false, permitted equal true, return. If it's crouching, if not in a tunnel, so this means that the character is not inside below the table or something. If it's not null character movement, you start on crouching. And on crouch time, character reset speed, layer 26. Okay, crouch time, this one gets called here, player layer 20. I don't think it's changing the layer. Let me see. Okay, the layer 20 I think is hiding player, 26 separator player. Okay, yeah, it changes this one. Separator player, yeah, so it's changing that. Maybe the problem is here. Let me just check it out. Brave. Okay, yeah, probably that's the problem. I need to check if, because the separator is the thing that makes me not collide or not collide. So let's check Boney here. Boney, you have the separator. Okay, separator player. If I crouch, hiding player, you can see it here. Okay, hiding player, separator player, hiding player, separator player. Okay, whatever. Tag radical, why is it that? Okay, hiding player. Okay, I think I can. Okay, now I'm here. Separator player, and it's still just passing through. Okay, maybe something is happening, but let's see. I need to check something. I'm gonna get killed and see if the separator resets. No, on that it doesn't change. Okay, so it's not getting called when I die. I was right in that. Hiding player. Okay. So let's see why. Sorry. Okay, have the character crouch. Crouch time changes it to hiding player. Start effects, etc. etc. On crouch, layer 20. Movement idle, crouching false, ability permitted. On crouch time dead. Okay, crouch time dead. So when I die, this gets called. I think this is, I'm not changing this. Yes. Oh, I also forgot to play the music, sorry. I forget. Just gonna open the playlist. I should make a playlist instead of doing this all the time. But I forgot how to do one. I'm gonna put it like that, a little bit Okay, so this one is not even getting called here. It says move state idle, render color, whatever. Crouching equal false. Okay, idle. Yeah, this is the first thing I'm gonna do. Just to make sure that it works. Let's see. And then I need to check probably I think it's the object that is having problems. So I'm gonna check that. Let's just wait it for. Okay. Well, let's see if at least it gets. If on that it restores the layer that it should, and if that's okay, I just need to check what's going on with the collider. And I know how to test that. Okay, so let's see. The thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get separator, here it is. Okay, hiding player. I'm just gonna get killed. Yes, separator player, yes, now it's getting called. The thing is I didn't reset the collider. I just need to check. Okay, so probably yeah, it's something to do with this. Because for example, if I do this, and then I get whacked, and then I do this, I can still do it. So I need to check what goes on with the collider here. Okay, so let's observe a little bit the table. Just let me see, freeform props. Let's check this out. Assorted, lab tower, no. No. Indoor decoration, lab table. Just let me see if I'm checking the correct one. I don't think so. Okay, let me just put this away. Lab table, that one. Okay, lab table 1. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. This one. But let me just, so we can see what's going on here. The lab table has this hide mechanics, element 0, this lab table, capture collider, table start, still visible. So maybe it's just affecting here. The capsule collider is that one. Animator, lab table. Okay, so let's see what happens here. I think let's check the script. It changes this to a trigger. That's why I don't collide, and I can go below. Hide mechanics under. We're gonna check the table start, crouch. Oh, I forgot. Enemy brains. Is the collider? Where is it? Ah, collider 2 here. If collider length, this is hide stuff. It's hiding collider length more than 0 or greater than 0. Collider is trigger equal true. Or is trigger equal false. And hide stuff. Okay, let's see. Character crouching equal false equals false. character table start, character crouch true. It is on trigger stay. I'm currently hiding for false. Don't hide stuff. Okay, so this thing probably is that. Let me see. If that is the issue, well, I just need to check what's going on. But the dead thing is fixed, so we can consider that fixed. Okay, we're halfway through. I think I can fix this before we run out of the first Pomodoro. Let's see, let's select the table. Okay, now it's not triggered. Okay, let's wait for that wolf to get out of there, so he's not in the way. Okay, so we're gonna check this collider. Does it get transformed into a trigger? Trigger, yes. Okay, and then I go out. It's still a trigger. Yeah, so that's the problem. Okay, pretty good. She broke the table. Now I don't have where to hide. Just defeat me. Okay, still a trigger. So yeah, basically that the issue is there. This doesn't get called. It's on trigger stay. If table start equal true, this case is true. I don't know what is this, but I think it has something to do with if it's just a table. On trigger exit. Okay, on trigger stay 2D. It says character crouching equals false and equals false on trigger stay. You unhide. And correcting hiding equal true. Okay, it's a bool. This means that you are hiding. Okay, correct hiding equal false. If our tag equal player. If table start equal true. Okay, and this one should be. I'm just gonna put it here just in case. I don't think it's gonna get called, but if equal false. The thing is, I use this also for the grass when you hide in grass, so that's why it has the table start thingy. On hiding, if other tag equal player equal true, crouching equal false. Okay, equal false, stick in a small place equal false. On trigger stay. I think this is why it's not getting called. Because the in a small space is when you are under something, and in this case it's true because you are under the table. So this is messing it up. If character crouching equals true, or tag equal player. Okay, on trigger stay. But it should do it when I exit if I tag equal players. At least that one should get called. I'm gonna just print it just to check. devlog. Okay. I'm gonna check if this gets called on hiding. Okay. Hide and seek. I think I should also call it here. On hiding. So let's see. This one gets called where? On hide stuff. On hide stuff gets called only here in a small space. If character crouch equal false. What does this have to do with anything? And character stick in a small space. Sometimes I do things and I don't even know why. Character stick in a small space equals false. Shouldn't it be? Okay. Let's see, in a small space, where is? I don't know why. Okay, I know that that is creating a problem, but I don't know why I did that. The crouching is false. Lower the volume a little bit. Crouching is false. So if you are on trigger, but you are not crouching, okay. On hiding, what does on hiding do? I think I know why. I need to use the on hide stuff, not hiding. Probably that. Okay, let's see. If that works, that was the problem. Let's see if it works. I think I have a mistake here. Okay, so let's get it called. I don't know why IntelliSense is not working and it's being a little troublesome. Okay. I might have to reinstall the Visual, what's the name of this? Visual Studio. Okay, let's give it a go. Let's check if the lab table gets made a trigger and then it returns to normal. That's what it should happen. That's how it should happen. Okay, let's see. Can call myself a journalist, blah blah blah. Okay, trigger. Yeah, okay, so basically it's fixed. Yes, I gotta make sure that when Boney gets whacked, separator gets back to normal. Let's see. Okay, done. Yeah, the table also returns. Okay, let's see this. Okay, separator player. Yeah. So it gets called as soon as I die. I think, yeah. Okay. Let me just put it that it's complete. Let's open the RAM meter. RAM destroyer. For tabs, store window. Okay, I'm just gonna set it up as complete so we can move to the next point. Okay. This is complete. Great job. Good job, team. So let's check the next. Getting hurt after defeating an enemy. Okay. It's gonna move it to active and it's gonna be in progress. Okay, so we're gonna work on this now. Is getting hurt after defeating an enemy. This is in the combat mode. So I don't know exactly why. I have an idea, but first let me show you the problem and then I can show you, well, we can fix it together. So let's see. Since I need to reorganize this a little bit. It is organized, but with all the plugins, it gets flooded with things. Because if you see, I have here animator, cinema, dialogues, fonts, game, materials, music, scenes. With a 0, so it's on top of everything. Because here we have all the asset packs and resources and a bunch of good stuff. Okay, Boney's house. We're gonna go to the combat mode. I'm gonna try it and see if what goes on here. For example, you defeat an enemy and I don't know if the collider of the enemy stays there or if it's the attack collider. I think, but I'm pretty sure I know what the problem is. But I want to show you the problem first before I just fix it without telling you. Okay, let's see, combat. Mortal Kombat. Okay, here we have this dude. If you see, the lives thingy is, we have on the top here, we have 3 skeletons, well, 3 faces, and those are supposed to be the hits you can take before you go down. Also, I need to fix this because this, when I go here, oh, I got hit. For example, there, I defeated him and I still got hurt by his physical collider. For example, here, I can do this, and well, here I didn't get hit. I check this guy. Okay, he defeated me. Okay, that's a little multiplier I added. When you land a critical hit, and if you defeat the enemy after that, you get double points or more. I think I might have to restart the level back. Okay, I don't know if it's the attack or what. But okay, let me try it again so you can see more clearly the problem. If you check now, the radar is showing the, if you're still here, Killer Queen. I did the thing you told me the last time, that you should be able to see what do their cones of vision. Oh, it's not working. Okay. So you now can see how far they can see, but this is not gonna be available all the time. It's gonna be only in combat mode, and if you wear a special outfit. With that, you can see how far they see. For example, here, I'm gonna kill this guy, and I still get hit by his soul or something, I guess. Oh. Okay, critical attack. Let's see this guy. Okay, he's gone. Now I get triple points. Okay, double if I defeat him, 300. Okay, I did that, so the attack mode is a little more interesting, the fight mode. I think is that. I will try that to fix when they get defeated, they disappear faster. For example, here, this is in this part. Sorry, health. Check this. Okay, I don't need this. It says that destroy undead. Okay, delay before destruction. So it takes a second. Probably is that disable collisions on dead. Yes. Damage to flinch. Okay. I'm gonna do something to check, but with this guy, because this is the one in the first level, I'm gonna put it to 0. I'm just gonna make sure that this happens. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, let's give it a go. Just let me observe this dude. I need to check that the change I made, that it disappears faster, is active. Okay, so let's check grid, level, enemies, check Boney. So it says delay before destruction 0. Okay, so he immediately should disappear. Let's see. Oh, here he touched me. No, I think he didn't touch me. Okay, let's check this. I think that's it. Okay, he got obliterated for some reason. Okay, so yeah, that was the problem. Like the collider lingers after he dies, so I think I leave it because the dead feedback calls like a initial delay, cooldown duration, shadow, separator, select. Delay between repeats, 1. Okay, this is supposed to, okay, for example, here it says disable collisions on dead. From this guy, I guess. Because the separator is a circle collider. This is just to separate the enemies. Okay. I think I have two ways to do this. I can do it here or do it. I think in script it's gonna be cleaner. Yeah, I'm gonna change the script. If not, I will have to go manually through. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna wait for the oh yeah, that's what I'm changing. It was is what I'm fixing. It's a bug, but it's because that's lingering there. That's why it's getting like that. But I think I found it. Check projectile big damage behavior is disable collisions. Okay, this one. Controller. Okay. I think it's kill. Reset. Okay. Let's check how this get called. I think this one is here. Kill, kill, kill. Okay, it says destroy object. I need to check how it gets called. Invoke destroy object. Delay before destruction. Okay. Okay, so let's see here. This is on kill. If delay before destruction greater than 0, okay, so this greater than 0. So this one, it does get called, I guess. I need to check where else does this get called. If it's greater than 0, you get called the disabled collisions on that immediately. So why? Okay, let's just check the behavior, because I think when I changed it, it worked as intended. Destroy, disable control on dead, collisions on dead. Damage getter. Okay, separator. Trigger. Collisions on dead. Color to enable false. color not equal null, trigger enable equal false, color enable equal false. Okay, so it should get disabled immediately. Let me see. I'm just gonna check it. Oh, that's cool. What are you trying to for a job interview or for school? Okay, well, you can tell me a little bit about that after the break. Right, all right. Let's get to it. I told you that I was going to test that if the collider gets deactivated. I guess that's the problem, but I'm not super sure. We're gonna find out right now. Because in the code, it shows that it says if delay before destruction is greater than 0, it will still disable this. Okay, invoke destroy object. That is. Okay, let's just check it out. Okay, maximize is not gonna get called. Just gonna reduce it so we can see what goes on with the collider. Hello, hi Lukifa, clinician who works in a local university to study how reading affects. Oh, that's nice. That sounds interesting. I know that reading has a lot of benefits, even for adults. I imagine for kids is very important. So what's it about? Like, you're gonna study it, like start studying that, or you already have some data or about that? Read. Okay, let's see the background ritual. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna check if this thing gets disabled as soon as I kill him or a little bit later. Okay. Oh no, I missed. Right. Okay. Yeah, as soon as I defeat him, I think. Okay. So probably something else. Check this guy. Damage getter maybe. Separator. Okay, something is it stays there. Oh, well, this one I just collided with it. Okay. Oh, okay. I see. But that's an interesting topic. Like a lot of people, I know that a lot of people have been saying that we are reading more than ever because we read, like social media, we are constantly reading. But I think that was before, like when it was only Facebook and maybe Reddit. But now that we have, what do you call that? TikTok and stuff like that, I think they only receiving visual information, and I don't think that's very engaging for them. Like, you don't activate the brain, you're just passively detecting the things around you. Okay. Yeah, it gets. So maybe it's the weapon. I don't know. Okay, let me make some tweaks. But I think. Okay, I'm gonna do a little test here. Because if I remember correctly, when I set it up to 0, it did get called. It did. It was. It wasn't affecting me like that. I don't know. Let's check. Okay, let's see. Locked. Well, hopefully you do very well on the interview. Okay, check. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna modify this bugger and make him have this at 0. And let's see if that changes anything. Just need to deselect this because if not, it's gonna run super slowly. Okay, boom. Okay, now I didn't get hit. Let's check this Boney. I touched him before, so I made a mistake here. Let's get rid of this guy. And what? Oh no! Oh, I don't know what I did. I clicked the editor. Okay, get some space. Tuck him. Okay. In that case, he was still alive. But I think, yeah. I think that's the problem. I think I'm gonna be reviving the same guy with that, so I don't reload. This is not very effective at testing. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just go here and revive the enemy after I defeat him. Let's see, is that a human? Check this little man, Boney. Good old Boney. Okay. So I'm just gonna set it up to 0 and see if I get hit. And then after I defeat him, I'm gonna revive him and see if I get hit again. Okay. Okay, I didn't get hit. Let's test it now. Let's see if I can revive him. Okay. Let's activate this and this. 1. Hit count, current health. Okay, I'm gonna just reactivate it because probably he's not working as intended. Check. Well, he's not working as intended. He's all red. So it's this. Okay, let me do another experiment. Damage getter. Okay, I'm using this for something, I have no idea what. And I think this guy is the problem. Trigger. Yeah, I think that guy is the problem. Damage getter. Okay, let's see, damage getter, damage getter. It's a game object or is it a collider? Collider 2D. I think it's around here. Trigger, post collider trigger. Not yet. Okay. So let's see what's going on there. Okay, so I think probably the damage getter is not trigger, okay, less than 0. Okay, damage, it says if current health less than 0, if trigger not equal null, trigger enable equal false. Okay. Useful for the herd. So it gets set to 0. Trigger enable equals false. Trigger not equal null, trigger enable equal false. Okay, it also gets Okay, I'm just gonna do that regardless. Where was it? And see if that fixes the problem. The first part where it gets called is one trigger. If current health less than 0, if trigger not equal null, current enable false. This also gets done here basically. Okay, if spinning equal true. Okay, because it's only on spinning. Okay, this is if spinning. If one equals true, okay. Okay, now Boney inside. Else not equal 0. Okay. If it's not equal to 0, it does this. Not equal to 0, not equal to true. Damage if spinning equals true, get hurt. Maybe I need to do this in those ones. Let's see. If current health not equals 0, else if disable equal true, else okay, if current health but if they do get killed, so I need to see where damage on hit, get hurt. Is if spinning equal true, get hurt, damage instigator. Current health less than 0. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this here. Let's see what happens if current health less than 0, and I'm gonna get rid of wherever I put it. I think I didn't put it anywhere. Couldn't help. I don't know. This might affect the scoring, I guess. If behavior not equal null. Current health greater than 0. Less than 0. If you're already below 0, we do nothing and exit. Okay. Let me see if this gets called. Polarity enabled. Maybe I need to put also here the separator so everything gets separated, deactivated at the same time. But disable collisions. If kill, dead. We will get ignore collisions from now on. But this should already be called here. Trigger enabled, alert to enabled. Okay, I'm just gonna do that, I guess. Okay, let's check. Because these guys, well, they have several colliders. They have this one that gets disabled, the damage getter gets disabled, and the separator, the damage getter maybe it shouldn't affect, but separator I have no idea. That feedback, open attachment. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna check when the dead feedback gets called. Dead feedback. If Boney equal true, play feedback this transform position. Okay. Well, let's check and let's see. Let's see what gets disabled. Should be the separator, the damage getter, and more things. So let's check it out. But yeah, I think when there's no delay, it gets I don't get hit because it deactivates everything at 0. So there must be something affecting me. Like everything disappears instantly. So there must be something lingering there. I think let's see. And here we have Benny. Let's check when I defeat him if damage getter and separator gets disabled immediately. Okay. Here he is. Okay, the damage getter lingers for a while. If you check that. The separator, I think it gets immediately turned off. But let's check this one. See, damage getter stays. Okay, let's check here, but let's check what happens with damage getter. Inspector has a box collider, it's not a trigger. And it's enabled. Let's see. Let's defeat this guy. Okay, it gets disabled immediately. Okay, so what could it be? Invulnerable? What's this? Flicker? Model doesn't have a nothing. Damage getter. Could this be? No. Okay, let's see. Oh no. This is running terribly. Let me just do this. Okay. Okay, got defeated. It gets called, it says. Maybe it affects me even if it's just there. I don't know, they seem to be getting disabled. But when I put it to 0, everything disappears faster, I guess. If trigger not equal null, trigger enable equal false. I think I know. Maybe. I think they have this. Check. Is damage on touch? Where is it? This one. I think this thing is not getting called. It's still getting called. Damage cost 5. Yeah. Okay. Because now that I see that all of them get disabled, it doesn't make sense. I'm just gonna make sure that I don't have it here. Damage on touch, damage on touch. Okay, damage to flinch. No. Okay, I'm gonna add it here. Damn. Sometimes the answer is you have to be this like scientific method, right? Like discard stuff, try things, then come up with an answer. So it will be on touch. Damage on touch, damage on touch. Okay, I'm gonna get it on start. If so, find object. Okay. Get component, damage And then I'm gonna just disable it. In any area where the trigger gets disabled, I'm gonna disable it too. So here, okay, I'm gonna copy it, get rid of this. So it'll be if damage and touch not equal null, damage on touch equal false. Okay, let's check where else. I'm gonna just copy this. For example, I put this guard because, for example, Boney also dies, but he doesn't have that component. The enemies can touch you with no problem. Okay, there we go. And this. Okay, I'm gonna just change it and call it, change all occurrences. Just gonna add that because I like to be consistent. Sometimes when I'm working I forget to do that. Okay. Change the occurrences. Handle weapon. Handle item. Right, handle item, handle weapon. I'm not even using this, I guess. I don't use this anymore. Okay, just gonna comment it out. Okay, let's see. I'm pretty sure now it's gonna work. If not, well, I will discard that and try something else. Okay, let's just wait for this to work its magic. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to reinstall Visual Basic because Visual Studio because it's acting up like you have no clue. Check for updates. No updates available. Snippets. Settings. Okay. Wow. Okay, it's acting a little slow. Font size, consoles. Find. Suggestions. Alright, I think it's okay. Let's test it. If that works, I got rid of that bug too. Yeah, because like Killer said, it's super bad that you get punished for defeating enemies. Yeah, but that was not my objective. It was just a bug. I know that that would suck. You need to get rewarded for defeating them. Okay, now if it works, I will need to get to fix something else. Another bug that I found that is something that you can't pick an item. There are some items that you can find hidden in different places. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see if I get hurt after defeating this guy. No, I think probably it's okay. Let's see. Still have my doubts. Okay. Have no idea. Didn't see. Okay, I'm gonna do this one more time after this. Yeah, I think that was the problem. Because I was a bit. I also think the retry is not working, but then let's see. Okay, let's see if this is working. Okay, yeah, I think that was the problem. Yeah, I haven't gotten hit. Okay, now they attack me. Canvas group has been destroyed. I think I'm invincible now, for some reason. Boing. Okay. Yep, that's working. The retry is not working, so I found another bug. Okay, I'm gonna just write it there. Okay, so we got rid of that bug. Now I'm gonna write another one. In progress. Getting hurt after defeating enemy. Complete. Oh no, test the level one. In this one I'm going to test, but the levels, like the time and the scoring is okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Is the try button messing on the okay, making invincible. Not picking up the pig. Okay, that's the next problem. Okay, I'm gonna check this one. The object canvas group has been destroyed, but you are still trying to access it. Blah blah blah. Life icon settings. All right. First thing first. Let's go to the level. This one, level stage 3. And there's some items, for example, there's a costume that you can get when you open when you read a gravestone, because it's one of the Kickstarter rewards. Like the guy, he had a gravestone and he designed a little costume for Boney. So I decided to hide it in his gravestone. Like if you read the epitaph, you will get the costume. And that one is working, but here I have another costume that is not working. I'm gonna show you which one. Okay, I think it's in the trash. In one of the trashes. Just gonna move it. No, trash tree. Okay, and I need to see why it's not working. I'm just gonna put it here at the start of the level so I can immediately access it. I'm gonna get rid of this guy because he's gonna be just getting in the way. And let's see. Okay, the trash has this. It has a hideable button and has hide mechanics. And I have here the costume and it should pick it up. So I just need to check that it works. So let's see. Let's give that a go. Some more water. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Supposedly when I hide, I should get the costume. Let's check. I don't know if I check the manager. Here we have the inventories, costumes. I'm gonna check. I have, okay, I'm gonna eliminate this guy. And I think that's okay. Let's see if I added it here. Nope. No, nothing is happening. Okay, let's check what happened with the item. Freeform. Okay, the trash is there. It could be that trash is the pig. Maybe it's because of the position. I don't know. Available? Nah, it's not available. And it's also disabled. Maybe I need to activate that. Okay, let's give it a go in a different way. Okay, let's activate the collider. Let's put it together with these things. Okay, item picker, it's available. I think I had set up something to delete all the data. I'm gonna do that. Here, okay, I'm just gonna Control K, Control U. Okay, so I can erase everything and see if I do add it to the costumes. If not, I need to see why. Okay, let's give this a try. Alright, so this should get disabled. I'm just gonna make sure, I'm gonna see where this is. They're just floating. out in the nothing. I could also make it that when you go out, it activates it, and maybe I can pick it up manually if this doesn't work. But first, let's see. Okay, so let's check the pig. It's not longer available, but this is still there. This is still there. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna press Y. I'm gonna make it available again. And let's try something different. I'm gonna remove this, so this doesn't do that. I'm gonna put the pig where seen. I'm just gonna move it. Move it. I'll put it around here. And I'm gonna see if this works. I'm gonna just put it here. Okay. Disable the pig. And I'm gonna activate it when I hide. It's gonna activate the pig supposedly, and if that works and I can pick it up, it's gonna be selected. Okay, very good. Let's try it. Just let me close this because it slows down the game. Hey, what happened? Okay, I think I kind of destroyed it. But why? I don't know. Anyway, let's see if I can hide. Okay, hide here. The pig is still not activated. Okay. So key action, game object set active. So it's not doing anything. First player type, player hiding, key operated zone. Okay, maybe that. Let's see, active bubble. Nope. That's weird. Box, refresh. But this is working, it's hiding. What the? Should update state with an activation, key operated zone. Unlimited activations. Visual prompt, hideable button. Show prompt with colliding. Requires key. No. Okay. I have no idea. It's just not working. For example, we have that grave. Let's see. This grave. The bad grave. What the heck? What is that? Number pop up. No, I don't need that. Grave, grave, grave. Decoration. Oop. Assorted. outdoor tombstones. Okay, we have this one, tombstone. Okay, this one can be read, and it has a key operated zone, layer obstacles, play type, activable, should update state, only one activation, high prompt after use, emoji set active. Maybe that, let's see. Should update state, maybe that's what it's. Okay, let's activate that and check. Okay, now it's working. I think I can pick this up. What's going on with the pig? Let's picker, custom pick. Okay. The pig is there. The trash, I'm gonna do this, should update state, and it's activable. And it's gonna make the pig get picked. And let's see. Okay, should update state, either key operated zone. Okay, now it should work. Like there's no reason why it shouldn't work. I'm just gonna make sure that the pig is available for picking. If that's the case, I have no idea. Trash. Okay, have 2 minutes. If it works, that'll be sweet. Then I will just need to fix the other bug, the retry. I don't know why, maybe but it doesn't mark any error. Okay, it's available. Okay, let's get here. Okay, I sense humans everywhere. Picking. Okay, picking. Okay, where did it get called? Custom pick 40. Blah blah blah. Okay, so it's not available anymore. This one is still there. And in the costumes, it got picked, but it didn't show the information. Okay, you should get some kind of information there, but well, at least it worked. Let's see, pig items, check enemies, checkpoints. What in the name of the Lord? Not free from props. So this one, it has info give, is there. Okay. Maybe it's not here? Because when you have info give, well, I will continue after the break. Right, let's go back to it. It wasn't showing the information, which was weird. The item picker should show, where is this? Billion regular info give. Okay, if info give, pick up bar, detail activate item 1F. What's this? Pick up bar for another time, meta details pick up. Okay. I think I need to issue info give for true. I also need to do this, just check if pick up bar not equal no, and I put else else no esle else log would be log log bar not found. Great. Okie dokie. Let's see. Big success. If we give it. Blah, 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 blah. Bar not found, and I'm also gonna make a devlog here, and it's gonna be devlog bar found, bar not found. Okay, because it's not showing the information. Info give, yes. Inventory full, no. Quantity, no. Anywhere. I need brackets here. I'm just gonna put it in brackets just in case. Okay. And let's just wait for this to clear. Seems to be no errors. Also, I just need to check. There should be. I think it's here. It's this one. Okay. It's activated to see how it looks. With info. Touch sprite with no border. Okay, whatever. Details pickup. Just hide this. This is the fader, dark fader. Okay. So what is blocking? What is this black stuff? info give. Nah, very slow. Okay, I'm just gonna activate this and make this 0. Okay. Okay, so just hit play, check the pig. If it's live, if it's working and activable, it should give me the information. Detail activate. Battery detail. Okay. Detail activate. Okay. Let's check the pig. This one. Info give. Inventory name doesn't have anything. Make it available. Let's delete that. Also, I need to check that the costume is not here. Okay, maybe that was why. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Okay, picker pick. Available default false, and then we do this, and the item picker pick. Pickable, pick fail, pick success, pick success. I haven't modified anything, so costumes, I don't have that here. The pig is still there. Okay, delete this. Okay, humans everywhere, better be careful. No, it's not getting added. And the trash. Custom pick, item pick. So it's doing all this, yes. Custom pick, item pick. It does that. Picker. Private item picker, component item picker. Okay, so the pig has the item picker. Spin falls, useful target inventory name. Okay. Let's see. Maybe it's something to do with the item itself. Okay. This one, it says target inventory name. It's null. Okay. Why? I have no idea. Spindle, echo item, blah 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 blah. Okay. Pig this one. Inventory name. Okay, let's see if that works. Digging a dwarf. Okay, I'm just gonna delete it and check again. It should be available. If it's available, it should get picked up. Also, maybe something is getting rid of the let's just see. Okay, so it should show the information and it should debug that all that stuff, that good stuff. Okay. Bar found. Okay. Inspector dead. I added it twice. I don't know why. Probably it was already there. Okay, just gonna do that. Make it available again and see what happens. Just so we can know quantity 1. Okay, let's do this again and see if it works. I got it from the game Spindle. Okay, and it says tombstone. I check the costumes. Okay, 1. Alright. Okay. Now it's working. So I think it was something about that. Probably. And I hit play and see if that inventory costume. Okay. And the pig. Okay. Alright, I think it's working now. So it was that it wasn't set up here. Quantity. Okay. Alright, let me just return the trash to its place, or the trash can. Let me just move this. If you're watching this, you're gonna know where is a hidden costume, but well. I don't want to forget and leave it there. I'm gonna put it here. Maybe I will change it later, so you don't know exactly where it is. And also I need to reactivate one of the enemies. That is, where's this bugger? No, Benny. Okay, one more bug getting rid of. Okay, I just update the board. I don't have too many more bugs. I will find some more. I think I'm gonna do this today, and tomorrow I will test the levels and try to find any other more bugs that I found. And that's it. I think that will be all. I will finish the game and start reworking on the trailer. The leaderboards, I think I'm gonna leave them for an update. Like, all the data is there, but I think I need to add something to visualize it in the game. So, okay, let's see this. In progress. It's out. Okay, hopefully we finish. This is the last thing I'm gonna try to do. The retry button is acting weird as hell. Let's see why. We can check it here, I think, directly. And canvas. Retry. This one, container, retry. And canvas, core control, current level load. Okay. Core control. Let's see what that current level load does. It seems to mess up a bunch of things, but I don't know why. Okay, score control, current level load. Okay, string current level. Miracle small, blah blah blah. Okay. Current level, blah blah blah. Okay. Loading scene manager, load scene, current level. Load scene, Boney's house. Okay. So probably the problem is with this one. I don't know how to look for this. So current level loads. Okay. Check what's going on with this. Okay. Supposedly with the intelligence I can just do this and PowerShell problems. Okay. I cannot find it. Okay. Loading scene manager. Loading scene manager. Okay. Let's see what it does. Okay, let's close this. I don't need this anymore, nor this, nor this, nor this, or this. Okay, let's keep it clean. Load scene. Okay, load scene, load scene. Loading scene event, trigger, status, scene name. Scene loading screen. Usually a loading screen. Scene to load, application background loading property, transfer defined, loading screenshot name, equal null. Okay, scene to load. So it just does this. But why? Let's start scene to load, not equal null. Load scene, scene to load, loading scene, and load scene. Call the static method to load scene from anywhere. Call the static method to load scene from anywhere. String loading scene name. Okay. Sync to load asynchronously. This one, where does it get called? Start. If sync to load not equal nothing, start routine load asynchronous. The net level asynchronous. Okay. Well, let's see what gets messed up first. I think the combat mode is the fastest way to practice this. To try it, I mean. So let's get to Boney's house and retry there. I'm gonna close this. Let's see what gets messed up. Normally it appears there. So with that I should have a pretty good idea what's happening. Okay. Just I need to defeat them and see what gets messed up. Because I think it doesn't happen if I just quit. And let's see. Let's defeat this guy. Okay, I think he touched me before he died. Okay, he also clipped me. And let's get this bugger. Okay. Okay. Retry or back. Let's see if I do back and then I try again. Okay. Boney's house. Here in Boney's house. And I reload the level and see if it works as intended. Maybe it's something to do with reloading the same level. Reloading, blah 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 blah. Instance of an object. Okay. Small space activator. Instance of an object. What? What is he talking about? Crouch Boney. But what? If crouching equal true. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see what. I need to fix this first. So I need to put if crouch on true stay, if crouching equal true, return. I need to first check this. I think this won't be any problem. Crouch not equal null and crouching equal true. Yeah, when you put two ampersands, it first check this. So if this is false, it's like if this is null, then you don't even check this, you just return. I think. Okay. No, I think I need to do it separately. If no, then I will do another if. Ugh, disgusting, but well. Crouching not equal null. If crouch equal true, then we return, and I need to put everything here in the paddings. Okay. Probably that's what's acting up. I think it's gonna work even with that, but if I get rid of errors, also this, let's see what's this before we move on. Index out of range. Finish level animator. Okay, that's very slow. Okay, also here we have a little thing. It says that it's out of range. Player array, blah blah blah. Add player array 0. On enable finish level animator. Okay. So what's this? What do I use this for? Alright. I don't even need this, but okay, on enable. On enable. Okay, I will do this. If array dot length greater than 0, then we do that. Here we go. Okay, I think with that we should get rid of the mistake there. Object tag player array equal length more than 0, 0. Okay. Okay. Very good. All right. So we modified that, and then we're gonna check the retry. And why is only the retry acting like that? Hopefully I find an answer. Let's just wait for this to finish running up. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. Steam is not working, I know. Let's see. Combat. Okay, let's see if that doesn't get called. Okay, I think it's working better. This one is also acting up a little bit. Let's defeat this guy. Defeat him, defeat him, defeat him. Okay, he attacked me first. Alright. Okay. Got him. Got him, boys. Okay, now we'll retry and see what happens. Is that a human? Okay. Ugh, it's running horribly. Okay. Here it says, missing reference, the object of type canvas group has been destroyed, but you're trying to access the script. Live icon settings, hit changes. Okay, let's see this. So it's more something of that than the if image my alpha. Okay. Image tree. This is in live icon settings. Public class series field setup. Live icon settings. Okay, this is part of what? So here, I need to check who was calling it. Was it Benny? Band, live icon settings. This should be here in the canvas hood. Another instance for running response. Okay, whatever. Okay. Let's see. Is this one what it that is not working? Only help, not help. Okay. Canvas group. What? Okay, canvas group has been destroyed, but it's still trying to access it. Seconds. Event manager, port held. Okay. Here also. Hit count is what is for Boney. Okay. Not much on touch. Also this. Clarity with damageable, clarity health. But what did it say about that? The script should either check if it's null or you should not destroy the object. Okay. Okay. Let's try that. Okay. So here. First, I'm gonna check if it's not. No? Not equal. No. I'm gonna do the same here. In this case, I think it's gonna work because I need both conditions. Okay. Let's see if with that works or what happens. How about that changes? Okay. But it's only in the retry, right? I think. But that's weird. Retry does the same as go back and go forward. Maybe something gets lost in the process. Okay, combat. I think I'm gonna separate those two arcades a little bit. Okay. Let's see if I get attacked. Pluck. I get hit really nicely. This son of a gun. Okay, critical hit. I don't know why he got destroyed in one hit, but okay. Ugh. Okay, 2 hits. Okay, let's retry. See what happens. Improvement 0. Is that a human? Okay. The input thing is still there. I'm gonna have to check that too. Okay. But I can defeat them. I can get hit too. Okay. So that was it. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm invincible. Has been destroyed, but you're still trying to access it. Where? What are you talking about? If I enter, okay, in all of this. But which one has this been destroyed? Okay, I know. I think this is what I'm gonna check for. Missing reference. Okay, so it's something, it's not about that, it's about this. It's about the canvas that is doing weird things. Let's see, live icons is this one. Checking the inspector. Is this one, this one, this one. Okay, and then what? Regular. Those are just things. Image 1. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Which one has been destroyed? I have no idea what this thing is talking about. My renderer. serialized field, my render, this, and this. Boney health. Okay, what else? Boney health. Okay. I don't need it for anything. Setup. My renderer set native size. That changes. Okay, it changes. What the heck? But why? What? Why? Okay, I have no idea. It has to be something to do with that. Oh no. Just 8 minutes. Hopefully I do it. Okay, this is very slow. Okay, yeah, whatever. So what the hell is this thing talking about? Like it misses the reference, but it's another load. So, well, let's do a little thing for log. Okay, setup complete. Okay. I don't know what this has to do with anything. If it's not null. Anyway, let's check it. Well, I need to restart. Please. But don't worry, I'm gonna figure it out, even if it's not on screen. Okay, just clear this. Clear. Okay. We can do this, but I don't know why it doesn't detect it. It makes it save file deleted, yeah, whatever. Okay, let's get ready to rumble. It's not set up. Okay. Setup complete. Okay, I get hit normally here, get whacked, get smacked. Oh no. Okay, he's a goner. A gunner. Okay. retry. Okay, that reloads the level. Recommend exception. It should set up again. Let's see. Is that a human? Setup complete. So yeah, it redoes everything. I am getting hurt, getting beaten to a pulp. Getting beaten, destroyed, wrecked. Let's check. Let's give the last one the finishing blow. Okay, has been destroyed, but you are still trying to access it. It's null, or you should not destroy the object. Bad. It says bad clone damage area. Image. Okay, image. Image. Okay, this one here. So that's something else. Image. What the frick? I don't know, man. What is this? Resources, life icon settings. What is this? Manager for health, blah blah blah. Don't touch. Has been destroyed, but you're still trying to access it. But what? Feedback critical. What does it do? But impact, critical animation, flash. No. Let's see if I can still get defeated. I don't know why I just have one hit now. And now I'm invincible. Go to town. Okay, I'm gonna retry it again. F. Right. Well, I think that will be all. Just gonna see if I can get defeated one more time. I'm gonna clear this so I can get damaged. 1, 2. I get damage, but I think the last one. Oh, the object type image is okay. So I think I need to do the same thing here. Image 1, image 2. Image, but that's it. Oh, but it's this one's. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same with this. This is gonna be very boring and manual, but yeah, well, the time is up. Time's over. Right, just have 25 more seconds. Right, so that didn't work, but I think I need to check also the renderers. Why? I'm not exactly sure, but I will check online. Maybe I find the answer for why this is acting in that way. Okay, well, it's not break time, it's finish time. Well, thank you very much for being here. Here are some of my Patreon supporters. Thank you very much, Killer, for being here with me in the stream. Also, you, Lukifa. Uh, it's nice to have somebody here with me, uh, joining me in my work. As always, thanks to my patrons too. Uh, Special thanks to the squad members, and very special thanks to the monster hero Fernando Mata. Um, right now, the the thing is, I'm gonna be releasing a new devlog in a little bit. I hope that you can give it a watch, and if you can help me out, or if you like what I'm doing, remember to support me on Patreon, or also liking and subscribing to the videos helps me a lot to bring more visibility to my games and to the work I'm doing. And well, that will be all for this session. Hopefully you were productive with me and you can learn some things. So that will be all. See you the next time. Bye.